Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to keep TikTok live playing in the background. Just like this, you can actually watch your TikTok live videos on your background and still have access to other apps on your phone. What are you going to do to actually access this? It's very simple. First of all, let's click on our TikTok app. Then all you need to do is click on live option, then you click up a little bit, then you click on this share button, the share arrow, and come below and click on background player. Then you click on picture in picture, and it's very simple. That's all you're going to do, and it's going to appear just like this. If this guide is helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.